Yeah.
See, actually, see this file. Can
Yeah.
you see this tense table?
Can
What
I
are,
do what?
this is tense table, right? Let me share.
I don't. No, I don't see that.
Let me share again. See, now can you see?
Yep.
See, here we have first tense. I write a letter in the same way Nancy writes a letter. And your 26th sentence is I learn maths. So which is this tense? This is this simple present tense only. I
Yeah.
learn maths. मैं maths सीखती हूँ. And negative sentence you are written of belonging to second tense. I did not learn maths.
Hmm.
First sentence number one. Second sentence number two.
Number.
Right. So now you can see your homework. I learn maths. मैं मैथ्स सीखती हूँ. I did not learn maths. मैंने मैथ्स सीखा नहीं था.
Hmm.
I did not learn maths last year. Did I learn maths? Didn't I learn maths? Here you should put here a
Oh,
question mark.
question mark. Sorry.
And how did I learn maths? Clear? How did I learn maths?
Yeah.
It's okay. So here, what is needed? The needed point is V2. I learned maths. Nothing else. It's okay.
Oh.
Now it's all correct. Clear?
Yeah.
We
I
play
played.
volleyball. We should put here we played
Played.
volleyball.
Okay,
We
my
played
bad.
volleyball. Actually, I did not hurry last time to teach you to explain you all the things in a single task. And actually, my decision was very correct. I I wanted to at that time I wanted to explain you much in a single lecture, 2 to 3
Oh.
tenses. But again, I did not explain you. That was my correct decision.
Okay.
See, actually, we have to go in depth, right?
Yeah.
Then yes. So I learned maths in the same way we played football. Now we did not play football. Did we play football? Didn't we play football? Why didn't we play football? It, these all are correct.
Oh. Only
Hetvi, Hetvi
eight.
ate. Hetvi ate pizza. Hetvi did not eat pizza last year. Did Hetvi eat pizza yesterday? Didn't Hetvi eat pizza with us yesterday? How did, yes, we have put again does. Clear?
Yeah.
So
Sorry.
how did Hetvi eat pizza? Hetvi ये पिज्जा केवी रीते खाधा? हेतवी ने पिज्जा कैसे खाए? Have you got my point?
Yeah.
It's so simple, but again these points are like an
Hmm.
ant, okay, not an elephant. And so we have
Yeah.
to focus on them again and again. If we apply them in our daily routine, in our
Hmm.
daily task, in our daily communication, then only with mind focusing on them only, they get correct, they get habitual with us. And that's why we are working. See, actually, I'm not making you see your mistake. I am making you try for the next time, not doing mistake. Clear? So Nancy worked in garden. Nancy did not work in garden. Did Nancy work in garden? Didn't Nancy work in garden? What time did Nancy work in garden? All of them.
Yeah.
So you should correct them again. Clear?
Yeah.
First one only, not this one. So is it okay?
Yeah.
Now I should move ahead. Okay, 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 okay. Let me share one other file,
Okay.
my last one. See, now this is again the simple mother chart.
Yeah.
Present simple tense V1 writes do does, two words are there and they are helping verbs. They are helping us for making them negative or question. Here
Yeah.
in simple past, if you see in affirmative sentence V2 is there, only V2, not
Yeah.
no any other helping verb. But if we want to make them negative or question, we need to have a model, and that is did. Clear? But
Yeah.
in the presence of that model of this did, we would put only V1. It means verb one main form. We would not put V2. in our grammatical questions. In communication, if you put, then it's okay. Don't worry about that because in communication, our actually tongue slips. Clear?
Yeah.
So it's not the problem. When you speak and if I rectify, try to rectify your mistake and I make you focus there, then don't worry about that. That oh, sir has uh, seen my mistake. Don't worry about that. Communication is communication. In
Okay.
communication, it will run. But again, it is my humble duty because I
Yeah.
charge for this. So it is my humble duty to make you see your mistake.
Yeah.
So seeing our mistake is different thing, and using with incorrect something incorrect in beginning is also the different thing. Clear? So don't
Yeah.
worry about using them. Focus only on correction. Clear? Okay. Now we are moving on the third tense, and that is simple future tense. Clear? Now, from this third one, we are not needed to worry about anything to put helping verbs or for making them in negative. We want to have the guest faculty, guest model, right did or the do or does. We are not needed that. Simply,
Yeah.
whatever the sentence is there, the sentence would have must have one model, and that is called will and shall, and that's why they are in future tense. Clear?
Yeah.
In simple future, the model shall will take only V1. It means main verb,
Main
right?
verb. Yeah.
If it is continuous, then shall will the model will take V plus V1 ing. If it is perfect future, then shall will take have V3. But right now we are focusing on only and only simple
We
future. Simple future it means it will take only simple verb. Simple tense will take simple verb.
verb.
But model of this is what? Mentioning future, the models are shall and will, not anything else. Clear?
Yeah.
So the same sentence here, I write, we have put here I will write.
Mhm.
Simple. I write sentences daily. I will write sentences daily. We have put here only before we write, we have put will. I
Mhm.
will write. See, it's
Yeah.
okay. It has converted automatically into simple future, third tense. For making it, for converting it into simple past, we have used B2. But right now we are focusing on the third one, which is simple future. So right will get converted into will write. Okay.
Will.
And goes will be converted into will go, not
Will.
going. Clear?
Yeah. Sorry.
Hetvi goes to school every day. Hetvi will go to school tomorrow. Clear?
Yeah.
In the same way, Neha writes and Neha will write. In the same
Yeah.
way, we drink, then we will drink. Simple. If Mira bakes, S is there, then also Mira will bake. Simple future will take simple verb. Simple future will take simple
Simple verb.
verb. Can you take it properly?
Yeah.
Simple. Okay. Now, what is simple future? Simple future is nothing but the future. Mentioning the future tense. Mentioning
Yeah.
the future tense. It will happen. It will happen. Or I will do something. I will do something. Yes,
Mhm.
or I will get something. I will get something. Or I will be in some situation. Or I will be in somewhere. In some situations. Or I will be somewhere else. Right? So that's the point. I will get something. See, your planning and your dreams of future.
Yeah.
Present is on our hand. Present is on our palm. We can
Yeah.
use them. We can use them. But we can plan for the future. We can
Yeah.
learn from the history. We can learn from the past. But past we cannot rectify it. We cannot change it. Only we can focus and we can learn from the past, but yet it is to happen, yet it is to happen, yet it has not happened, and it is not yet it happening. Only the plan is there, only the thought seeds, we can say seeds in your mind that it will grow like this.
Yeah.
See, one thought. Nancy will become a pilot in future. So that is nothing but the seed is in your mind, and that will grow like a tree, like a big tree, and the tree would be shown as a pilot in future. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
So
Right.
right now it is your dream. Right now it is your thought. And if you see, have you tried to grow a plant anywhere
Yeah.
in today? Have you tried?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so,
have.
so what are the basic requirements for growing the plant? Can you tell me? Can you share with
You
me?
need, yeah, you need soil probably,
Hmm.
and the bee of the plant or like anything, whatever you're
So
going to
after growing, what would you need? What's the basic needs
plant
for growing plants?
sunlight and water,
Yeah,
oxygen.
but what
No.
what is the necessary points that you have grown a plant, right? Now what are the
Oh,
basic requirements that it would need? Better nourishment.
uh,
In short sentence. Basic nourishment. Am I right or wrong? If
yeah,
water
right.
is there, but enough water must be there.
Yeah.
If air is there, it's okay, but oxygen must be, or carbon dioxide and other elements. See,
Should be
proper
there.
nourishment should be there. And one more
Yep.
thing, care must be taken of it.
Yeah.
And one more thing, you must love it.
Yeah.
Actually, we have discussed about it, right? We have
Uh-huh.
we have already discussed about it. You must take care of it. You must love it. So
Yeah.
it is called proper nourishment. Nourishment is not giving or providing or supplying on the food ingredients to it.
Mhm.
Nourishment is totally the ingredients plus the way of exchanging method to supplying that ingredients, the method of supplying, and third one, taking care.
Yeah.
Yeah, love. Right, right. In the same way, if you nourish your seed in your mind that, oh, I want to become a pilot, this is a seed, nothing else. But if you nourish it in your mind, if you nourish it, yeah, yeah, it's happening, it's growing, it's happening, very nice, it's very brilliant, it's very intelligent, yeah, sabas, sabas, I have done it, I have done it. So like
Yeah.
this, if you do, then you focus on that tree that I this Nancy, like this, you should do. This Nancy is a pilot. Yeah, you must be able to see it. It is your proper planning, and you must do it daily. In the same way, being a pilot is your future. You are not a pilot right now, but you
Yeah.
can nourish your thought. You can nourish. It means, have you got it? My point.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
with proper nutrition, with proper
Yeah.
love. If you nourish that seed, then it will happen. It will happen. See, stick with me. It will happen.
It will happen.
Will plus happen.
Will this happen? Yeah.
Have you got it? So will
Yeah.
plus happen. It means will plus simple verb. It is called simple future tense.
Thanks. Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very clear.
Let me come on my point. Then. Which is that?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So simple future tense. Okay. Mira will bake cake tomorrow. Mira કેક બનાવી હતી ખોટું મીરા કેક બનાવશે it means it will happen in future. I
Future.
smell a candle, but in future I will smell clear. Ram is swimming, but in future Ram will swim. You got my point.
Yeah.
It's simple. Okay,
Yep.
now speak with me. uh,
Okay.
Ram will eat pani puri.
Ram will eat pani puri.
Okay, convert it into negative sentence.
Ram will not eat pani puri.
You have asked me a question, but simply you should give me information.
Ram will not eat pani puri.
Ram will not eat pani puri. Ram will never eat pani puri. Both are same sentence.
Yeah.
Ram will not eat pani puri, so it is not his planning.
Yeah.
Ram will not eat pani puri. It does mean it is not his planning. But Ram will never eat pani puri. What is
That's
it?
his.
It is his habit.
Yeah.
In future, it will
Yeah.
happen like this that he will never eat pani
Big.
puri. Oh yeah, he has got irritated with pani puri.
Oh my. Yeah. Probably.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now convert it into question.
Like Ram will never eat pani puri.
So yes, the sentence was affirmative, but
Yeah.
you questioned it. You have spoken in a tone like question. So it is question in communication, but grammatically it is incorrect.
Um.
You should start the sentence with model, and your model is what? Will.
Will
So start with
will,
will.
will Ram
Eat
eat
pani
eat
puri.
pani puri? Oh my god.
Will Nancy become a pilot?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Not hopefully, sure.
Yeah, for sure.
In the same way, you should speak that sentence. Last one. Question.
Okay. Will Ram eat pani puri?
Simple. You have got my point. Clear. So in first says first simple present tense. In first simple present tense, if the action or procedure or whatever we want to ask in for the routine life, the sentence for question, the
Mhm.
sentence is started with do or does. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Does Hetvi meet you anytime? This same
No.
simple present tense. Did Hetvi meet you last time, last yesterday, like this, right? So we have started the sentence with did, the model with did, that
Mhm.
is called simple past tense. Now simple future, it will get started with will.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
simple future, do does, simple past did, now simple future, it will get started with will.
Yeah.
So stick with me.
Mhm.
Hetvi goes to school.
Happy goes to school.
Hetvi goes to school.
Happy goes to school.
Now make it question. Does,
Does Happy goes to school?
yeah. Now what?
Happy went to school.
Did Hetvi go to school?
Oh, sorry. Did Happy go to school?
And
Will Happy go to school tomorrow?
yes, you have got my point. Simple. Is it simple or difficult?
Simple.
It is simple or it is very simple?
It's very simple.
It's very simple. Yes. I will learn mathematics.
um, so do I learn math?
Yeah, that is simple present. Okay. Then
Yeah. Did I learn math?
and third,
Will I learn math tomorrow?
simple, simple, very simple.
Yeah.
Uh, Khush will write something on board. That is my third sentence, third tense sentence. Okay. Now make it question in simple present, then simple past, then simple future.
Okay. Kush will. Does Kush write on a board?
Yes, simple.
Did Kush wrote on a board?
The did Kush write on a board?
Will
Okay. Okay, okay.
write on a board?
Yes.
And Kush write on a board?
Again, pardon, please.
Will Kush write on a board?
Simple, simple, simple. Very nice. Very nice. Now, I am going to share one file with you, and then we are starting our simple future again. Clear? So this is a file and simple future tense, Sado Bhavishyakal. See, actually, it's in Gujarati, so don't worry about that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Simple future tense, the context, the syntax of that will be subject plus will or shall plus main verb. Clear? Main verb. I will write, she will write. Actually, shall and will both are there. Monologues, both presents, both mention only simple future. Sorry, future.
Future.
Both mention future. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, actually, for a long time, around 3 to 5 years, actually, people are not using shall. It is only used in study.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You American people also don't use shall, I think.
Yeah. No. So
Rarely it is used.
yeah, I was reading Shakespeare's book, the
Yes.
Romeo and Juliet and all that stuff.
Uh,
I I seen this word shell a lot in there.
yep. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So actually, it was being used in our past
Yeah.
very much, but right now will is only and only. Clear? that
Yeah.
as a model. So now again for ahead, I will use only and only will. Clear? But keep
Yeah.
in your mind that shall is there. So
No.
how? See, speak with me. I shall write.
I shall write.
We shall write.
We shall write.
This is a grammar.
Hmm.
With I and we, it means for first person, I and we both are first person. Am I right, wrong?
Yeah, right.
So with first person shall is used in grammar and then will with each and everything.
Oh wow.
This is a grammar. Okay, but you can speak. I will write.
I will write. We will write. You will write. They will write. He will write. She will write. It will write. And Hitesh will write.
See, actually, you have to read the sentence and you have to convert that sentence into Gujarati. Okay, do it
Oh,
fast.
yeah. We shall come. Wait, wait. I can see the sentence. We shall come in the class regularly. Regularly. અમે દરરોજ રેગ્યુલર ના
We
સોરી
regularly classમાં
અમે રેગ્યુલરલી ક્લાસમાં આવીએ છીએ
photo
આવીશું આવીશું
આવીશું. Okay, next.
દિવ્યા will go to her school on time.
Hmm.
દિવ્યા એની સ્કૂલે
On time,
ટાઈમસર જશે.
just say clear. See, actually, you are not needed to translate each and every word in Gujarati. Clear?
Yeah,
I need only the logic.
yeah, just someone. That person will do his business very well.
Hmm.
પેલો માણસ એનું બિઝનેસ બહુ સરખી રીતે કરશે. They will serve you better.
Hmm.
પેલા લોકો તમને better serve કરશે. I shall see you later. હું
Ah,
તમને પછી જોઈશ. જોઈ લઈશ.
See, if two person are getting angry with each other, then one will say to the other, "I see you later."
Yeah.
Now negative and question. So we have already done it. Nancy will eat dokla. Nancy will not eat dokla. Will Nancy eat dokla? Question will start with will. Clear?
Yeah.
See, the sentence I have used belongs to simple future only, and
Yeah.
again will is there. The sentence will start. See, this sentence will start with will.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, speak. Read it
We
aloud.
shall come to class regularly.
Yes,
We will not come in the class regularly.
very nice.
Shall, can I shall or will?
Oh, it's okay. Will.
Uh, will we come in the class regularly?
Very nice. Next.
Ram's parents will help him very much.
Hmm.
Ram's parents will not help him very much. Will
Oh,
Ram's
okay, okay.
will Ram parents
Help
will
him.
Ram's parents help him very much? Sorry.
Very nice. See, actually, tone here, you should not speak like a question. You should
Oh
keep
yeah, I
it
should
as it
put
is. Yeah, okay. Now, what are rules and what are adverbs? So it's so simple thing for you and for us. See, actually, whatever we have seen, we will see again. In affirmative sentence, model would be will. Clear?
yeah.
Okay, will and shall both. And will take the simple only main verb, not other form of verb.
Okay, yeah.
Clear? Simple. In negative, will take not.
Yeah.
And question will start with will. These are rules.
Okay.
Rules completed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, okay. So first rule is use, and I have already mentioned, I have already explained you the use of it, whatever it will happen. But what will it happen? It will happen as we nourish whatever the seeds is in our mind, and how we nourish it, it will grow up.
Yeah.
If the seed is in your mind to become a pilot, And if you nourish it like, oh, maybe I will happen, oh, maybe I will happen, oh, I am not liable for it, oh, I can do it, oh, bapare, I cannot do it. If you do like this, the better nourishment is not proper nourishment is not there. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
And whatever you provide, the tree will grow. So you are providing not better, so tree will not grow better,
Right.
and again you will have problem. So see, future is in our hand, but how better nourishment, better planning, and not worry.
Yeah.
Clear. So
Yeah.
this is the use. This is the use. Yeah, seed is there, but nourishment will make us make it happen in
Yeah.
front of us. In future, future will come in front of us, being present.
Yeah.
Clear. So this is used. Clear. Okay. Next,
Mm-hmm.
I have already explained will and shall, and with I
Yeah.
and we shall would be there. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
adverb. What is the point adverb? We have already seen in parts of speech, and again
Speech.
in simple present and simple future also we have seen that when the action is happening, when is the action happening is called adverb. In other words, it is called time indicator. What?
Time indicator.
Time indicator.
Time.
In other words, we can say tense indicator.
Tense indicator.
Tense indicator. The word which can indicate the tense. For example, for example, uh, I'll check water tomorrow. So tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is mentioning that it will happen tomorrow.
Time.
Tomorrow is the word which mentions the time of the tense. Time
Mm-hmm.
of the action will happen like this. Will happen. Okay. So adverbs are there, but without adverbs, without these time indicators, we have already understood how the tenses are there. Shin,
Yeah.
stick with me. Nancy will become a pilot.
Nancy will become a pilot.
So already the tense is there, simple future tense. It is not needed for this tense to attach any adverb like a time indicator. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But if you want to put, you can say that Nancy will become a pilot in 2026 or 28, whatever it is, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you can put it, but 2026 is what? It is nothing but the simple future.
Future.
Because right now 2021 is running,
Mm-hmm.
so
Yep.
2022 is in future.
Yeah.
But if somebody says that in 2015, then the sentence he or she must use from table number 2, simple past.
Past.
In 2015 I did that, but in 2025 I will do that. Speak with me.
In 2015, I did that, and in 2025, I will do this.
So second tense and third tense both we have used with conjunction and. Clear.
Yeah.
But again, it is needed for us to learn these adverbs, and that's why I'm going to explain you these adverbs. And first one, adverb part one, adverbs are only simple words. First one is what?
Simple.
Tomorrow. Next,
Next month, next Monday, in the future,
hmm.
next week, next year, tonight, and the day after tomorrow.
So the we can say, right? We can say
Yeah.
like this. Yeah, tomorrow we'll take the lecture at regular time. Next month we'll learn conjunctions.
Mhm.
Next Monday we'll not meet. In the future you will become a pilot. Next week you will eat dhokla. Next year you will come to India.
Sure.
uh, Tonight you will sleep very well.
Yeah.
The day after tomorrow you will go to meet Hetri.
Yeah.
Right, so simple.
Yeah.
So see, actually this table contains each and every word as adverb, and that is single word. Clear? Tomorrow, next month, they are words. For us, these are words, nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay. So speak with me that my mom will uh, purchase me a mobile. Speak with me.
My mom will purchase me a mobile
Next year.
next year.
But she has put a condition, seven table. She has put a condition. She has
Yeah.
put a condition. Can you listen? Can you
Yeah.
understand me properly?
Yeah.
Which tense I have used?
It's number 7 to 6 and then perfect present.
Yeah, it means seven.
7.
Seven. She has put one condition. She will purchase me a mobile, a new mobile. She will purchase it means third tense. She will purchase. It will happen.
Mhm.
Clear? She
Yeah.
will purchase a new mobile, but she has kept one condition.
Mm.
If you get 90%,
Yep.
if you get 90% in next exam, I will purchase you a new mobile.
Yep.
So these are the words spoken by your mom. Am I right or wrong? See,
Yeah.
see simply for our learning part. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you repeat the same sentence?
Yeah. She will purchase me a mobile.
Not see. You have to speak her words only.
So
Which?
I will purchase you mobile like that.
Yeah. Huh?
I will purchase you mobile, but only on one condition.
No, no. Again, I repeat the same sentence, and you have to repeat the same. Clear?
Oh, okay,
If
okay,
see, Jayashree is speaking to Nancy.
okay,
Now we are two partners listening her,
okay,
listening them.
okay.
Nancy is there and her mother is there. You are not Nancy and I am not Jayashree or Chetan sir. Clear?
Okay,
We are
yeah.
two other people. Okay. They are Nancy and they are Jayashree Ben. Jayashree Ben is means her mom. Her mom is speaking to her and these are the words. If you get 90% in this exam, I will purchase you a mobile.
Okay.
No pardon.
If you get 90% in this exam,
Hmm.
I will purchase you a new mobile.
Okay. Now again repeat the same.
If you get 90% in this exam,
Okay. 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 Again repeat this part. One part.
if you get 90% in this exam,
Okay. If you get, can you listen? If you
yeah.
get, with if only simple present tense is there.
Mm-hmm.
If you get is what? You get is simple present.
Yeah.
If you get 90% in this exam, I will purchase you a new mobile.
Yep.
So actually you get 90% in this exam is also in future, but when it is used with if, we
Mm-hmm.
have to speak it in simple present.
Makes sense.
If I get 90%, if I get, it means with if, I would put only simple present.
Mm.
Because I want to use simple future, here with condition, I will put only and only table number 1. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Whether it's actually, yet you have not got 90%. But
Mm-hmm.
the condition is that with condition you have to put simple present.
Makes sense.
Second sentence. I am giving you one example, one more example.
Okay.
If it is too hot, if I am using simple present without action. If without action we put MAR here.
Yeah.
If it is too much hot, it will rain too much.
Okay.
Got
I
it?
say, yeah.
If you do homework, you will get my point.
Yeah.
If you give me a smile, then I will teach you more.
Yeah.
If you understand it, then we will go ahead.
Yeah.
So
Makes
I
sense.
have given you nearby 5 examples, right?
Yeah.
So can you give me 5 examples more?
Yeah.
Tell me.
If I wait, If I go to mall,
Yeah,
then I will buy something.
something. First one is okay. Next, second.
Um, if I watch TV,
Hmm. My papa.
my papa will yell at me.
Okay. Second, third.
Um, if I if I study,
Yeah.
then I will get good grades on my test.
Yeah. Very nice. Fourth.
If I cook,
Hmm.
then never mind.
Yeah. If I cook, I will be able to eat.
Yeah,
Nobody is there today home.
right.
Or you can say,
Uh,
if I cook, my mom will get happy with me.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
If I cook, then I will learn more,
Yeah.
something new.
Mm.
Okay. If I cook, you are telling to your mom, if I cook, then I will cook only dal dhokli.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fifth one, last one.
Okay. Um, if I turn on the light, I could see better.
Yeah. If I,
Turn on the light,
yeah,
then I can see better.
I,
I can see better.
yeah, I can see better. Okay.
Mm.
Ah, okay. Can see and will see both are same
Oh, I- it,
construction wise.
yeah. Sorry.
Construction wise. Okay. Nice. I, I'll, I will able to see you better.
Yeah.
So when shall and will are getting interchanged. So again, grammar wise, in grammatical way, I am explaining you clear.
Mhm.
Shall and will are getting interchanged when the action is planned, pre-planned, or will happen definitely. Surely, if it will happen, then shall and will get changed. I
Oh,
It does mean I shall write, बोलो तो,
I shall write.
but I will write definitely.
I will write definitely.
That is the point. In grammar only, in not in communication. Clear? See,
Yeah.
at any cost, in any how, I am sure, in any case, what may come. Right? These words show the action will happen. Sure,
Yeah.
definitely. At any
Yeah.
cost, at any cost, I will not meet. I shall not meet Trump. That was the sentence. But at any cost, at any cost, I will not meet Trump.
Yeah.
At any cost, I hate
Yeah.
him. I love him. I am not telling you like this. I hate him or I love him. This is not my point. But at any cost, I will not meet him. I am not having time for him.
Yeah. Not at all.
So this simple. This is a sentence, right? Okay.
Yeah.
In anyhow, I will eat today dhokla.
Yeah.
In anyhow, कुछ भी हो जाए बस मुझे तो यही
Oh, yeah.
खाना है.
Yeah.
In any case, I will not study today.
Yep.
What may come, I will become a pilot. What may come, कुछ भी हो जाए,
But yeah.
कुछ भी हो जाए, ऐसे जोर से आवाज,
Mm.
loud voice must come, a loud voice must arise with a confidence, with a high frequency. If the voice is coming out in it, any case, what may come, कुछ भी हो जाए साले, what may come,
Mhm.
I will become a pilot. Then
Yeah.
definitely will become,
Yeah.
and I'm sure I will do it.
Yeah.
Clear? I'm sure I
Yeah.
will do it. So
Yeah.
shall and will are getting interchanged. Have you got my point?
Yeah. I have.
For example, your mom has got angry with you today and she will come to you and she will scold you, right? So you will say like this, uh, mm, I'm sure my mom shall scold me today. Not will, shall scold me today.
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
simple. So that's the point. Not number seven. You should
Mm.
write it, but when I share you the link of the same lecture, you should repeat it and then you should write each and every point. Clear? Whatever it is new for you, you should
Mhm.
write them out. Clear? And that's why
Yeah.
I'm putting the links on detail. So let's see some examples for first part.
Okay.
For first one, this tomorrow, next one, like this adverb, and second, if plus table one, then table three. Clear? You can
Mhm.
start from simple future, then if plus simple present. Also,
Oh,
it doesn't matter. See, order is not important here in English. In Gujarati, order is important. You have to start from if.
mhm.
Where, wherever it is, it doesn't mind. It doesn't be problem. But we have to start with if. But in English, you can start from anywhere. Clear? Okay. Read it aloud.
Okay. I shall see a film next Monday.
So next Monday is denoting tense. It does mean it is adverb. Clear?
Yeah.
See, actually, in parts of speech, we have seen noun, pronoun,
Oh, adjective,
yeah,
verb,
third one, verb,
ad-
adverb. So here right now, adverb is running with
yep.
tense.
Yeah.
Noun and pronoun and adjective we have learned in deep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have taken a great deep, right? Depth, right? And you should repeat them again. Okay,
Mhm.
then verb. So verb is there with tense. Verb is there. Interview one. And
Yep.
then right now with adverbs also. One type of adverb is denoting or mentioning the time, and we are taking time indicator.
Okay. He will not go to America next year.
So which is the time indicator? It means adverb
Next year.
next year. Next
Will Modi ji defect Rahul ji in his election?
in this election. Okay. So okay, have you got it?
Yeah.
હરાવી દેશે મોદીજી રાહુલજીને હરાવી દેશે એ વખતનો પોઈન્ટ.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
That grocer will cheat you anytime.
Yeah, that grocer will cheat you anytime. Positive sentence is there, right?
Hmm.
I'm actually suggesting you, and I'm giving you some precautions
Okay.
that that grocer is not good and he will cheat you anytime.
Yeah.
So don't have trust on him too much like this.
Yeah. Okay. Priyanka will make a cake tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow is adverb.
Will you play cricket this evening?
Yeah, this is a question, so it is getting started with will.
Will.
Clear?
Yeah. How how will our team win next match?
How will our team win next match? Okay. So see again, here you should understand it. Uh, it is the question, so it is starting with will. Will our team win? This is the construction. But
Mhm.
we wanted to make it informative, so we have put here how. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is simple thing. But question is there. It is starting from here only.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you take get my point?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so will model plus our team subject plus win main verb. But we wanted to make it informative. So how is that? Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. If it rains, I shall not go to school today.
So if plus simple present, can you see?
Yeah.
It rains. S must be there because it's simple present rule. Clear?
Mhm.
And I shall not go to school.
If Modi ji offers me a job, I shall not accept it without any competition.
Without competition, I don't take any damn.
Yep.
Okay, so with if Modi ji offers, this is simple present.
Yep.
Simple present. Simple present. So you can speak like this. I shall not accept without any competition. I shall not accept a job without any competition if Modi ji offers me.
Yeah.
I can speak like this.
That
Okay.
is.
Okay. And example for note number 7, shall will exchange. Read them aloud.
So we will win this match at any cost.
Yeah.
I will pass this exam in any case.
Any case, I will pass. Actually, it
Mhm.
was I shall pass. But in any case, I will pass. But it
Pass.
at any
Mhm.
cost. Actually, it was we shall win this match. But at any cost, we will win this
Win
match.
this and match.
Now let's try 2 to 3 examples.
Okay. Oh wow. I love this. You blank. Wh-
Do,
what is that?
do you love these questions?
Yeah.
Okay, MCQ questions, right? Okay,
Yeah.
you blank Junagadh.
Oh, Junagadh tomorrow evening. Okay. So there is will.
Which one is the right answer? Please tell me.
D. D.
D for dog.
Yeah.
So can you explain me why A, B, and C not are the answers?
So for A, it's rich. So it's in the past.
But in the past, we cannot say in the past. Will plus reached is not possible with will because will
Yeah.
take simple verb. Will take simple verb. It is not in the simple past also.
Hmm.
It is the mixed point. We
Yeah.
can say wrong, incorrect. So
And
future and past both will not happen together. Clear? Okay, next.
yeah, for C,
Hmm.
that the B I will be rich. It's that
Which tense is there? Can you see me?
will have reached. That is tense number 7.
Ninth.
Yeah, sorry, 9.
Yeah.
Will
And
reach.
and for ninth tense, we are not having any setting, right? Okay, next.
Yeah. C. So like we use will be going for like number 6.
But is it in sixth tense?
No,
Why?
because there is no ing.
Yeah, very nice. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Will take a simple verb V1.
Yeah.
Will take simple verb V1.
Yep.
So will reach. So will reach. Okay, next.
Okay. Lakshmi blank a picture next to it. Okay. Lakshmi show. Lakshmi show. That's not it. Lakshmi will. Letter D.
Which one?
D. Will not draw a
D for
picture
dog.
next. Yeah.
So can you see? Can you tell me why the others are not the answer?
So number like A,
Yeah,
they're using ing, and we cannot use ing as like
with cell. Clear. Okay, done. Next.
will be draw.
Hmm.
It's not correct.
It's not possible.
No, I don't think
Why?
so.
Why? What's the reason? And make it correct if you can make it correct.
Oh, because there's no ing behind
Yeah.
draw.
So it is not in sixth tense also, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
if you remove B, then it will be there.
Then it work, yeah.
It's okay. Okay. Next.
And
With
then are not draw. I just don't make sense. It's
with
just
R we must have drawing. Clear?
yeah.
It's
So will
okay.
not.
So again you are right. You have one glass of water.
Yeah.
You can drink it. Okay. Next, third one. Simply
Okay.
give me the answer. Simply.
D. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. I shall. D. Get up early in the morning. Get up early morning tomorrow. Okay. Will you C.
Which one?
C.
C. Again, you are right.
Okay, what is this?
Pick out the correct sentence, but I have not given you options, right?
Yeah.
Here question is there. Pick out the correct sentences. But again, I have not put any obstacle.
Hmm.
You should tell me the answer.
I should. How? Okay, wait. Pick out the correct sentence. Put it into future tense for the given sentence. Please. We swam in the river.
Which one?
Will it be? We will swim in the river.
We will swim, but with we in grammatically situation.
Shall.
Yeah, yes.
Shall swim in the river.
See, actually, it has been asked in the post office, assistant manager.
Oh.
The question belongs to that question paper.
Oh wow. Okay.
See, actually, all questions we are right now learning and reading. These questions have been asked here and there in one or
Alright.
the other exam.
Oh, that's cool. Sorry. Help yourself and you will succeed.
So, do you remember? I actually we have talked. Yeah, right. We'll succeed. Here.
Yeah.
Now use these other three words. See, actually, succeed will not come. It's okay because we'll succeed. We'll succeed. We need it. But you should use success and successful. You can change some words here in sentence. Can you give me these sentences with using A and B both?
I can try.
Yes, you should try.
Can it be? So it can be help yourself and you will be successful.
Very nice. You will be successful. So B is there. Now A.
Help yourself and you will. Can you say help yourself and you will success? No.
You will success or you will succeed.
That you will succeed.
Then success. You will get success. Good?
Yeah.
You will get success. What will you get? I will get success. What will you become? I will become successful.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you. Now we are moving to the other part, and that is fourth one, and that is present continuous tense. Again, it will take only few seconds. Okay, so now we are shifting our focus on continuous present tense. I am going to share with you the file.
Yeah.
Actually, Khush has recently shown me his face.
Yeah, he was walking around here.
Yeah, I know. He has shown me his face. Beautiful. Okay, continuous present tense. So, what is continuous present tense? Can you tell me?
Yeah, something that's running on. Like
Something that running on. Can you give me 1 to 2 examples?
yeah, I can say I am taking class right now.
I'm taking with a class right now. Okay, it's okay. Next.
I am drinking water.
Oh, it is not continuous. Is it continuous? Actually, in seventh, you should have spoken this sentence. I have just taken water.
Oh, yeah.
It is not in present right now. Continuous. It is not continuous. Okay. Tell me continuous action.
Okay. I am reading a book.
But you are not reading a book, my friend.
I have to be real.
Yeah, you should be real. See, actually, just now you have given me one sentence. Khush, see, actually, I told you one sentence. You keep one thing in your mind. I never use any examples for without meaning.
Yeah.
Just now I told you, Khush is showing me his beautiful face. He has shown me just now. So
Yeah.
you gave me in this tense only. You gave me one sentence. He is wandering here, right? Getting
Yeah.
around. So This was in this tense only. Okay, give me one example, one more example.
Kush is playing right now. He is actually.
Yeah, okay, nice. Next,
Um, I'm watching you teaching me.
very nice. That was the sentence for which I was waiting.
Yeah.
See, because see, actually, our mind must be in present situation. Our mind must be in presence. What is running right now? Are we present? Are we present here? If we are present here, then we will not need any type of see, actually, we will not need worry. For example, examples will come out from us. Examples will A lot of examples will come out from. But actually, what happens? We are not there where we are.
Yeah.
We are not there where we are, and the problem occurs when somebody asks. So we wander outside. One
Yeah.
example, outside one example, outside one example. Yeah,
Yeah.
examples are here only. That you
Uh,
can see behind you, a big hand is moving around like round and round and round in clock.
yeah.
See, Kush is right now. Kush is doing like this, right?
Yeah.
So these are present moment,
Yeah.
right? To the action which is running. Simple. Okay, so hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes for completing this tense. Be ready for that.
Yeah.
Continues. What's the syntax of this tense?
What did you say? So,
Syntax construction of the sentence.
so means I subject.
Subject plus.
Can I write and then say because
No, you should not write. You should speak. I am writing.
I am writing. Okay.
Now speak. I is subject.
I is subject
Yeah. Then plus
plus
am is r
am is R and
plus
plus verb with
ing.
ing.
Ing. Verb with ing. Clear. Simple. Subject plus MJR plus verb with ing, right?
Yeah.
Subject plus MJR plus verb with ing.
Ing.
Again, subject plus MJR plus verb with ing. See, you should focus on sentence. Automatically, this will come out.
Hmm. Yeah.
If you focus, I'm writing subject plus MJR plus ing.
Yeah.
It will see again. Right now, we have recently taught that we must be in presence. So try to be in present, and it see actually if you try, then in some months, not in seconds, in some months, you will be able to remain in presence because 99.99.99999999% people cannot remain in present.
Wow.
They are either in the past or in the future.
Yeah.
I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I did this. Or, oh, I will do it, I will not be able to do it, I will do it. But they cannot remain in present. This is the situation. They cannot enjoy it because they remain in either in past or in future. Only 0.00000000001% people can remain in present.
Wow.
So for you, it is a lesson and it is a homework for you. Try to remain in present situation. Again, you will forget. Again, you will forget because mind is there, and our mind, our actually the habit, our mind is habitual with wandering.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We are
Yeah.
thinking over one thing, and in the next moment, we will be thinking on the other point.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a habitual with wandering. So again, try focus where we are. Where am
Mm.
I? Where am I? Right now, what am I thinking? Focus on that. In few months, I think, because you are a very intelligent girl. So in few months, you will be able to do it. And if you can do it, then only you can be successful in your future. And your aim is what? Your tree is what? Your tree is to become a pilot, and you actually need a great concentration in that.
Mm-hmm.
So concentration means what? Concentration means to remain where we are
Yeah.
mentally, and that's being present.
Yeah.
present moment. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is our relation for today only. That
Okay.
try to be in present. See, actually, you will wonder, and I will tell you, be here, but don't worry about that. Oh, I have done like this. Oh my God, I don't do like this. It will happen. It will happen. Again, I will make you think. Again, it will happen. I will make you think. Make mistake. Make
Yeah.
mistake.
Mistake.
You are you are allowed to make mistake, but you are not allowed to repeat this mistake.
Mistake. Yeah.
Clear. Okay, so speak with me. I am writing a letter now.
I am writing a letter now.
Fatafat.
We are writing. You are writing, and they are writing. He is writing. She is writing, and it is writing.
So is it okay with you?
Yeah. Chetan sir is writing. Modi ji is writing.
Why are you forgetting our Modi ji? So negative and question simple. In simple future number three, we did like this. We are writing, so we are not writing. Sorry, in simple future, we will do, we will not do, will we do. So will
Yeah.
was model of this. In the same way, here image are the models,
Yep.
right? So Nancy is learning now. Tell with me, speak with me.
Nancy is learning now. Nancy is not learning right now.
Yeah.
Am I learning right now?
Is Nancy?
Oh, is Nancy learning right now? Yeah, Nancy is. Sorry.
Yeah. Isn't Nancy learning now?
Yeah. Isn't Nancy learning right now?
And what is Nancy learning
Nancy
now?
learning.
So see, whatever you have spoken, concentrate here. Nancy is learning. Nancy is not learning. And we started with MER. So M is R, but here is Nancy learning?
Yeah.
So if anybody asks you, anybody it means Nancy only, because there is
Mhm.
nobody there to ask you anything. Right? So if
Yeah.
Nancy asks you, Nancy it means when you will be sitting free, or you will be actually on your bed, you will be free, you will be alone. At that time, you will ask yourself, what was that? What did Chetan sir ask, tell me today? So see, two persons are there and they are talking in your mind.
Yeah.
So there Nancy would ask you, and if Nancy would ask you that what is the construction of a present continuous tense question, then you should start with it. Am I writing, or you can say, is Nancy writing? One sentence. Recall one sentence, and from that you can say MHR plus subject plus verb ing.
Mm.
What I have told you? I have told you that recall one sentence and then from that sentence tell this construction.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
And very first line, in the very first line, I have written here syntax.
Yeah.
What is this? This is nothing but
Syntax.
the syntax. Syntax.
Syntax.
Syntx.
Syntax.
So what does it mean? It does mean construction.
And construction.
So speak them aloud.
We are singing a song in the class right
Hmm.
now.
Hmm.
We are not singing.
Don't speak like question. Speak like an information.
Okay. We are singing a song in the class.
Nancy, use your hands.
Vanta. We
Course is
are singing.
course is disturbing you, right?
Yeah. Oh. We are singing a song in the class now.
Hmm.
We are not.
Again you have repeated the same mistake.
Oh my. Okay. I want now. We are singing a song in the class now.
Hmm.
We are not singing a song in the class now.
Hmm.
Are we singing a song in the class now?
Is it okay?
Yep.
Next one.
Uh, this this sir is teaching English grammar now. This sir is not teaching English grammar now.
You are speaking in the question tone.
I need to fix that.
Repeat the
Okay.
same sentence.
This sir is teaching English grammar now. This sir is not teaching English grammar now.
That sir is not teaching English grammar now.
Is this sir teaching English grammar now?
Okay. So what are the rules? First one is use. So use is nothing but the current situation. Clear?
Yeah.
Next one, current is there. Okay. Next one, what are the monologues here?
Mm-hmm.
What are, see, actually your focus is somewhere else. You
I
are,
that sorry.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Now
tell Khush to go
he
in
left.
his class, in his room.
Yeah, he left.
Has he gone?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, are you here only?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are the rules? Rule number one is use of the tense. So, what
Okay.
is the use of the tense? When the current situation, what are running around us, if we want to denote them, then we will use this tense. Clear?
Yeah.
You can read it. અત્યારે નજર સમક્ષ કે ક્યાંક કોઈ માણસ કોઈ ક્રિયા કરી રહ્યું છે અથવા કંઈક થઈ રહ્યું છે. If somebody is there and he is doing any action, or if something is happening around us or somewhere else, but it is in current, it is
Hmm.
in current, it is running right now, then this running process, this continuous process is shown through this tense, continuous present tense. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the models using continuous present tense? Four, tense number four.
Model
Yeah,
MI is R.
M is R.
M is R. MI
So
is
what
R.
what are what are these? These are nothing but the forms of to be. Clear? We have already talked about the to be.
Oh yeah, to be. Yeah.
To be. I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, it is, Ram is, Sita is, Nancy is. But Nancy and Kush are.
R. Yeah.
So M is are nothing but the forms of to be. Clear? And
Yeah.
here they become models. Here they become helping verbs. Here they are not but the helping verb for the main verb. And in which form the main verb come?
ING.
Ing. So it is called present participle. Clear?
Yeah.
It's called present participle. Okay. And
Okay.
in negative sentence we would put not exactly after this monologue, this MJR.
Okay.
I am not writing. Am not. Clear? Like
Yeah.
okay. And what are the adverbs? So whatever the word mentioning current situation is called adverb of this tense.
Yeah.
Tense indicator of this tense.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this moment, this time at present, I am learning. I'm learning. I am busy with my class and I'm learning something. So I am busy with my class is simple sentence. I
Yep.
am busy with my class. Speak with me.
I am busy with my class.
So this is a simple sentence. Clear? It
Yeah.
is not continuous.
Yeah.
Why? Because verb is not there without
Yeah.
action. So I am
Yeah.
busy with my class and I am learning.
That is continuous.
Continuous. Okay. And nowadays I am reading a book. So this sentence you gave me this sentence and it was 100% correct.
Yeah.
Nowadays I am reading because see, before a short while you have started to read it, but after a short while you will complete it.
Completed. Yeah.
So between these two extreme points of time, during this time, you are reading this book. Nowadays, you are reading this book, but it is not your business to read that book only.
Yeah.
So, current situation is like this also.
Hmm.
See, for example, before few weeks, you have started learning English grammar with this English class, and
Yeah.
in a few months, in a few weeks, you will get completed it.
Yeah.
You will complete your session. So right now, if you meet Hetri or you are somewhere else you are going, and if you tell them, then you can tell them that on Friday and Saturday I have some class. Why? I am learning English grammar.
Yeah.
Nowadays I am learning English grammar. It is not your business to learn English grammar. Or it is not your routine time to learn English grammar, but nowadays it is happening.
I am. Yeah.
Nowadays, clear. So
Yeah.
nowadays it is happening. So whatever the actions are temporary and running, then you can
Put
uh,
nowadays.
give them in continuous present. Clear?
Yeah.
These days, yes, these days and nowadays both are same.
Same. Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
And see, actually, you are running, you are walking on the road, and some opposite person who is coming towards us tell you, "Oh, run, Nancy! An ox is after you." Then what will you do?
Run fast.
Run fast. You will not see backward, right?
No.
You will not see actually stop to see back that whether C is correct or not, and X is running or not towards me. But you will definitely run. Yeah.
Yeah.
So she started with this run. So this
Yep.
run, this verb mentions that this is a running action that X and ox is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. See. Listen. Who's speaking something? So listen word denotes that who is speaking something.
Something.
In the same way, if any sentence is starting with any verb like this, see, look, stop, listen, run, then
Mhm.
yeah, these are the warning words. Clear? Then
Yeah.
the following sentence would be definitely in continuous present tense.
Yeah. Makes sense. Let's see some example. See, I'm writing in English.
See, I'm writing in English. See, right?
Yep.
You can say.
Listen, Hitesh and Divya are singing the song.
So listen. So listen
Yep.
is see actually with the verb listen, we give the suggestions to the opposite person, warning or suggestions or whatever you mention about the running action.
Yeah. Divya is going to school now.
So now is here an adverb. Clear?
Yeah. He is not watching a TV serial there at present.
Push. What is Khush doing? Then you would give me this sentence. He's not watching TV serial at present. At present it means at current. Clear?
Oh, yeah.
He is not doing this action.
Okay. Is Modi ji reading a book of general knowledge now?
Clear? So see, actually this sentence has started with is. Why? With Modi ji from Amijar, out of Amijar, is proper. Clear?
Yeah. I think he is wasting
Wasting
his time. He
nowadays.
is wasting his time nowadays. Yeah.
This sentence is correct with see actually we should not use the name of anybody, but again for mocking we are taking the name Trump. Trump is wasting his time nowadays, I think.
Definitely is.
Definitely. So I think मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I think this action is running. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now let's try some questions asked in different exams, and for you it is a simple test, right?
Yeah.
Do it fast.
Oh, there you go. Ram and I are reading now.
Because only I, then M is okay, but Ram and I, okay?
Yeah. Double. All know that now she and I are together, are working together.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah. Okay. It seems that he is recovering speedily.
Okay, clear?
Yep.
Yeah, it seems that, ऐसा लगता है कि, it seems that,
Is sorry, you can borrow my pencil. I am using it myself.
yeah, I'm using it myself, so you can't borrow my pencil. Otherwise,
Yeah.
I would definitely give you, but right now I am using it. You are not my enemy, but again, I am using it, so I cannot give you. Clear?
Yeah.
And last one.
We can go out now. It isn't or won't. it won't rain anymore.
Give me the answer. A, B, C, D.
C.
Sure. See, what is want? Want is nothing but the short form of will not.
Will not. No. So actually, we're gonna go with B.
B for boy?
Yeah.
It's okay. See, actually, we can go out now. Now we can go out. अभी हम जा सकते हैं because it is not raining anymore. अभी बरसात हो नहीं रही है. It won't rain मतलब वो कोई भगवान के हाथ में. It depends on God and God's mood, right? We cannot say that it won't rain.
Yeah.
And want raining is impossible, right? Because raining ing form is not followed by want, and only rain would not follow by isn't, because isn't raining is proper. Clear?
Yeah.
So see, actually this question has been asked in STAT 2017. What is STAT? Do you know? The exam for entrance exam for principal in school. STAT.
Wow.
Yeah. See,
Yes,
TAT chart is for teachers, but S chart it means headmaster, for headmasters entrance, right? For
Yeah.
a competitive exams, it is one type of competitive exam. Yeah. If somebody passes this exam, S chart 2, then he will become he will be liable, suitable. He will be liable for uh, a principal, for being a principal.
Nice.
So, if you want to have the question that I am having too many questions.
Okay. The police are.
Very nice. Because when we speak Polish, say a very big, right, a crowd is
Yeah.
there. Very nice. Then
They are learning English grammar. The cat is drinking milk. Are these people is doing B?
B for boy,
Yeah.
B for boy.
No, D.
Hmm?
D?
D for dog.
Yeah.
Why
I'm
not
not-
D for boy?
I don't know. Wait. Are the people is doing their homework?
You can have lifeline.
Yeah, I would love to have your lifeline, I guess.
Lifeline. You can deny two of them. Any two of them. Which two out of these four would you like to deny?
It's definitely not A or C.
Okay, clear. Now out of B and D.
I think it's B, but not sure.
Why not sure? See, actually R is there, so now is not possible.
Okay, yeah, okay.
And see, actually this is a question. So question would definitely get started with MR. Now it has already started with R. So
Oh yeah,
is
it is not.
impossible to come.
Yeah, so then,
Right?
yeah,
So this is simple.
yeah.
Okay. So today we have completed two tense again. These were simple future tense and present continuous tense. In simple future tense, see, simple future tense is very simple, but uh, we have to do homework for making twist sentences like condition plus simple future.
Oh,
Yeah.
got it.
And make them make some sentences like this, and they must come out from your mind only.
Okay.
And raise your hand and do like this. Oh, shabas, shabas. Right. Okay, and for continuous present tense, you must speak some sentences. You must write some sentences.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So with this, we are going to wind up our session for today. We'll meet tomorrow again at the
Yeah.
same time.